Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegetable soup with Kale Easy Guide. Start by heating 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot, then sauté 1 diced onion and 3 minced garlic cloves until translucent. Add chopped carrots, celery, and potatoes, and cook for 5 minutes. Pour in 8 cups of vegetable broth, bring to a simmer, and prepare to add greens and seasoning. Once your broth is simmering, reduce heat to maintain a gentle bubble and let vegetables cook through for about 15 to 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. Add hearty spices like a teaspoon of dried thyme and a bay leaf while cooking, then remove the bay leaf before serving. Fold in the chopped kale during the final 5 minutes so it wilts but stays bright, and always taste to balance seasoning before plating. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more simple kitchen guides for you. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is great to keep nearby while you cook, stays cold, and is easy to carry between the counter and table. Check the description for the link and other deals, and remember to stay hydrated while chopping and stirring. Now let's get back to the video. To vary the soup, try blending 1/3 for a creamier texture while leaving the rest chunky, or add cooked beans for protein and fiber. Swap vegetables seasonally and consider a splash of cream or coconut milk for richness, keeping measurements modest. Reheat gently to avoid overcooking the kale, and always label stored portions with dates so you use them within safe timeframes for best flavor and food safety.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.